Okay, so let's create another kind of horse. But this horse is what we call rocking horse. We need to inflate a balloon like this with a allowance of 4 inch at the end, like this. First part is create the mouth of our horse like this. Create, secondly, the head by making a 1 inch bubble here and another 1 inch bubble here. Put it together just like this. Okay, so let's create another bubble here for the neck. Approximate length would be 2.5 inch. Now create the front leg of our horse here and create, let's say, 3 inches for the part of the leg of our horse, and create another 2 inches here for the second leg of our horse. This time, put this section here like so and put it together. So as you can see, we have here the body, the front leg, and the last leg of our horse, and this would be the part of the rocking horse, which give the horse to rock like this. That's why this is what we call rocking horse. So as you can see, this is the body, this is the legs, and the part of the legs for the rocking horse. And let's create, of course, another leg, and of course another part of the leg of our rocking horse like this. So approximate 2.5 inch or 3, and another last leg here, and this time you need to put this part through here and twist it like this to make it lock all the way. And of course, since we have a long tail here, we need to adjust the tail just like this, and instantly we have our rocking horse. Thank you so much.